Yeah, that's it.
And then straight up the ramp there next to the other one. Back in July this year, Qantas retired their 747 fleet. I was very lucky and managed to secure myself a seat on the very last passenger service. It was a joy flight out of Canberra. Made a video on that, I'll put the link below if you haven't seen it. It was a really nice experience. Well, this week my luck returned. Qantas have been selling off their bar carts from the 747 fleet, and I was lucky enough to secure a couple of them, a half-size one and a full-size one. Now the best bit is that they're stocked. They've put a whole lot of Qantas goodies inside them, and what I'd like to do now, in the opulence of the Bunnik Tours ballroom, is unbox them. Let's open these things up and see what goodies there are inside. We'll start with the half-size one, and then we'll move over to the full-size one. Shall we? Let's do it. These carts were sold by Qantas via their wine club. You could pay cash or use frequent flyer points. I chose points and paid a total of 382,000 points. This included a 10% discount because of either my Qantas Platinum status or because I joined the wine club. I'm not sure which one. With international borders still closed, I thought this was a pretty good way to spend my points. And it turns out I was lucky to get my order in. All 1,000 carts sold out within 90 minutes. All right, here's the first opening of the door. Ta-da! What have we got inside? We'll start at the bottom. Oh, look at that. When they say fully stocked, what have we got here? Tempest 2, bit of white wine, and plenty of it. Next level. Oh, a couple of sets of Qantas PJs. And what have we got in here? Some Tim Tams. I like them. Level 3. Oh, more red wine. A whole lot of miniatures. Let me have a look what these are. Bit of Rosemount Shiraz. Very nice. 3, 4. And in here, what have we got? A bottle of champagne, straight from the premium cabin. Qantas first class almonds, very, very nice. Not normally served in a plastic bag. This goes into these nice little ceramic dishes. Some savoury biscuits, lovely, and a couple of Qantas business class amenities kits. So let's have a look at this Qantas amenities kit. Beautiful colourful design, and these pouches are actually fantastic for keeping camera equipment. I keep all my GoPro stuff in one of these things. So we've got standard issue Qantas socks, a lovely postcard explaining the story behind the artist, Megan Weston, and this is Iceland, this themed one. A little box of potions and lotions from a spa. Let's have a look what's in there. We've got sweet orange and shea hand cream. That's lovely. Sweet orange lip balm, always handy. A little, and what else is in here? A ultra hydrating face moisturiser for those long haul flights. You don't want to come out all dry. Now, a very colourful Iceland themed face mask, some ear plugs in case your seatmate is very chatty, and of course a toothbrush. Fantastic. Thank you, Qantas. Okay, let's have a look at the top shelf. What have we got here? Oh, fantastic. It's a welcome aboard, the original 747. Look at that. On the back, the 747-400, and then on the inside, got the history of this incredible aircraft. Some pictures of bygone eras, back when you had the Captain Cook Lounge up on the top deck. It's fantastic. 747s mean so much to Australia because this is the aircraft that opened up the world for us. and it brought the world to Australia. It was the start of affordable travel for everybody. So that's why this aircraft means so much. And what else have we got in here? Oh, a Sheridan first class blanket. Let's unpack that. So that was a little one. Let's open the big boy. Let's open the full size one. Trying to do this elegantly. You can't do it elegantly. Let's open up. More goodies inside. We've got white wine, more red wine, and if I reach all the way through, there's even more red wine. So I've got 2 cases of 2 full trays of the red wine. I'm going to have to put my glasses on to be able to see what this is. Let me have a look. Blue Pyrenees Estate Cab Merlot 2016. It's a lovely drop. Oops. Obviously I'm not as experienced at this as all those hosties and the flight attendants. Right, I need some practice. Right in the bottom of here, there's more white wine. How good's this? Bunker's West Australian Honeycomb Chardonnay. Nice. And what have we got here? Oh. More Qantas PJs. 4 sets of Qantas in-flight pyjamas. Love the in-flight PJs. A couple of sleeves of Tim Tams. Fantastic. All right, the second top shelf. What have we got here? We've got some more amenities kits. Some more of those first-class Qantas almonds, natural smoked almonds. These are delicious. Another bottle of Duval Leroy champagne. Very nice. And some more savoury biscuits. Cheddar biscuits. Lovely. And there's another tray of exactly the same at the back there. And we'll put that all back in there. And then what have we got in the top here? Oh, the Qantas welcome aboard flight, and of course the first class Sheridan throw or blanket. How cool is this? I'm going to like wandering around the office with these things. I think it's going to be great. Regular viewers will know that I'm a great lover of in-flight PJs and airlines that provide them, especially for long-haul travel. They just make the flight so much more comfortable and of course keep your clothes crease-free. Now, the 747, the most iconic aircraft out there, and the Qantas PJs, the most iconic in-flight PJs out there as well, with the wonderful full kangaroo on the front and of course the Qantas on the back. Now, remember the golden rule though about in-flight PJs. You can wear these in business class and in first class, but don't go through the curtain and walk into the economy class cabin with your business class PJs on, because everybody will think you're a dickhead. How cool are these carts? After work drinks at Bunny Tours will never be the same again. Now, how nice is it that Qantas, rather than sending these things to the scrap heap, actually sold them and allowed us to retain a little bit of that aviation history. These will live on. They'll take pride of place in our office here, and they'll continue to get some use. So yeah, really, really happy with them. These carts are very well used, with each one of them having done over 2,000 flights to Qantas 747 destinations around the world. Now, it was time for them to take one more ride upstairs into our office. Hey, who'd like a drink? Here you go, man. Enjoy your flight.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
This is not awkward at all, is it?
Turbulence. Look at this. Wow.
There you go, sir. Enjoy your afternoon.
Thank you.
Cheers. Here's to a great
Flight
flight.
home.
It's giveaway time. To celebrate reaching 100,000 subscribers, I'll be giving one lucky person a pair of Qantas business class PJs and a business class amenities kit. To enter, simply put the comment QF bar cart in brackets in the comments below and be subscribed to my channel. It's that easy. I'll draw the winner 30 days from the date that this video was released. Thanks for watching, and a massive thanks to everybody who supported my little YouTube channel along the way. I really, really appreciate it. And that's a wrap.